was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
So we have come to the end of our stay in Malta, and right now we have just checked out of our hotel and we are waiting for the taxi so that it can take us to the airport. Our stay has been fine. Did you love Malta? Yo, did you enjoy Malta?
Malta? Yeah, Malta was okay, but the sun was not so good before yesterday a little bit and today.
Yeah,
But it was very much windy here. Oh my God, like our orkan.
because the ocean is just
Yeah,
right here,
yeah,
that's why
yeah.
it was windy. But
Yeah.
it is good, there was some sun and we enjoyed our stay. We have visited several places here and now it's time to go back to the snow.
And you remember yesterday,
Yeah.
there we was, it was a television program in the local television here.
Yeah, it's now time to go back in the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, our ride is here.
Okay.
So here is our taxi ready. Let's just board and go to the airport. So we are here on time. Today we are not late and we are using the Baltic Air Baltic Air. Eh?
You can check in here.
Air Baltic. Where? Check in what? This one is Lufthansa, Turkish, Aegean. Yeah. You have checked up there. It's showing we go to counter 17, 18 and it is open. Here. Yeah. Okay. Passports, boarding pass. We are here at the check-in counter. And even at the airport, it is the Indians working there. Where are the real Maltese people? Oh no. These ones are traveling with their dogs. So this is the box you have to carry to the airport when you have a dog. Then it will be there. Oh no, it's too much work. So the check-in was smooth. We have our passports here and the boarding pass. Now we just go. They said we take the escalator. Where is the escalator? No, it's this way here. No, the other side. Yeah. We are just going upstairs and we wait. We are here at the airport waiting to board. Look at how packed the airport is. I wonder where everyone is traveling to. All these people are traveling. Oh wow. We are at the airport in Malta and right now we are just going to board. This is the flight we are using, the Air Baltic up to Riga, and then after that we can go from Riga to Oslo. Come along with us as we end our trip from Malta. Bye bye Malta. Off we go. Today the weather looks so good. We have sun.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Off we go finally, away from Malta. Bye bye Malta. Look at how good the weather is. The sun is shining so bright and the skies are The weather is so poor, zero visibility. And this is our first stop. We have a layover for 3 hours and then now we will proceed to Oslo. So now we are on our last flight to Oslo, finally. I thought there will be maybe cancellations, delays, but we don't have any. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go back home. Oh my God. I can't wait to be in Oslo and then I sleep. Someone is traveling 2 hours away.
I go to Statella, then I will sleep in my bed. Then better have one more free week. La la la. You can go ahead.
We can go there. Oslo. Finally going back to Oslo. 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 I'm happy to be back home. In 1 hour, 45 minutes, I'll be in Oslo. Oslo.
But in 2 hours and 45 minutes, you sleep.
Yeah, in 2 hours, 45 minutes, I'll be sleeping. Tomorrow I have work.
Oh my God.
Yeah, remember our city is 16. Yeah. Oslo. Press
Yeah.
to open the door.
Yeah, to
Or
come
to
in.
close.
Yeah.
Open and close the door.
Yeah, right.
It uses pressure.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe in my next life I will be a pilot. Then I'll be flying all the time for free. We are back in Oslo. Finally. We are back in Oslo finally. After a very long trip. We started our journey at 10:30 and we are in Oslo at 1:10. So let's go to the duty free, see what we can buy there. And thank you for coming along with us. They have a special place for smokers. Heter?
Petterös.
Peteros?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Peteros.
Wait. Här.
Where? Which one?
Petterös original kredis.
Departure.
This is for Anita. Oh.
To buy champagne. Oh, not chocolate. I have enough chocolate at home. Champagne.
Ah.
Yeah. Or red wine. Where is alcohol?
There.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, yeah. Aperol. Baileys. You are the one who loves Baileys. We have Baileys here. No.
Yeah, but I cannot buy anything.
You will not buy? Okay. Where is the red wine and... No, these ones are whiskey and vodka. These ones are spirit. No, here is only spirits, whiskey and vodka. This one here.
Yeah, oh my God.
So much red wine. Oh, champagne is over there. Champagne, champagne. Here. I want sweet champagne.
Huh?
I want some sweet champagne. How will I know if this one is sweet?
I don't know.
Why?
I never drink champagne because I don't like it.
Okay.
But I have some sick.
Here. From France, 12%.
Yeah.
I want something less. Maybe this one is also France. They are okay.
Okay. Koi?
Huh?
You give them to someone?
No, for me.
Okay.
Or sparkling wine.
Okay.
Or I take the biggest one.
Hei, hei, hei. Melding til alle på Oslo lufthavn. Av sikkerhetsmessige grunner ber vi deg passe på julegavene dine, og ikke la bagasjen din stå uten
Extra
deksel.
clean wine. Okay.
You are finished?
Yeah.
And take the phone.
Stop it. So we are finally in Norway. We have gone to the duty free. We have bought what we wanted to buy. And right now we just want to wait for the train that will take us to our final destination. Yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Look at him, the way he's always happy when he comes back to Norway. You are happy and yet you have 2 more hours in the train. What's wrong with you? Oh my, just look at this migration. This one is a migration, it's no longer traveling. This is Oslo airport. Everyone is migrating. People don't like the cold. What? Yeah, I think we should migrate also. I don't know, they are migrating. I think maybe there's a train that stops down there and then they are coming in the fleet gate. Oh my. I've never seen this airport very busy in the winter period like now. Everyone is just going out. Yeah, they are going for Christmas. They are running away from the cold. They are running away from everything.